Now I request our team member to hand over the bouquet. I would like to invite our esteemed Dean Outreach, Professor Karubi Das, to deliver the opening remarks. Please welcome Professor Karubi, Madam.
A very good morning to all of you. Respected Director Sir, Professor V.K. Tewari, Mr. Amit Jain, Registrar, my dear faculty colleagues, and all the stakeholders who have worked very hard to put this classroom into its final shape. So I am delighted and honored to welcome you all to this inaugural ceremony. Now, in today's world, nobody can deny the importance of smart classroom teaching. What it does, it enhances the learning system by interactive teaching and learning process. Now, with the state of the art technologies, okay, everything is available in our fingertips. And by using that, we can teach in a way that were not, we couldn't think about it maybe a few years back, maybe 10 years back or 15 years back. So our director sir often says that instead of using 50, 60 slides, you bring it to the classroom and then you just show the slides to the students and they don't feel very interested. But instead of that, if we use interactive display boards, then your digital computation, and then multimedia resources, okay, that can bring life to the teaching. And it enhances also the active participation of the students. So till now I have highlighted just few of the benefits of the your smart classroom teaching. But beyond these educational benefits, it also is a sustainable option. Because in the older days, we used to teach using the overhead projector and we used to xerox the notes and give it to the students. So that was a wastage of a lot of resources, isn't it? But nowadays, by using the smart classroom teaching technique, we can save all the resources and we can proceed to a greener future for the new generations to come. So this particular classroom has very good acoustics. I think you understood by this time because I have talked for 1 or 2 minutes. So it has very good acoustics and it is fully air conditioned. Also with a capacity of about 200 students. And this classroom can be utilized to hold offline courses as well as the online courses using different platforms such as Google Meet, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. And another advantage of this room also that you can use live streaming of various programs or interactive teaching learning from this room very efficiently. I may have missed few points regarding the capability of this smart classroom, but Mr. Lenin Thomas, I think later on will elaborate on it, what are the exact capabilities of this smart classroom. So in summary, actually this smart classroom is furnished with the latest technologies and which can be used as a tool to explore the academic excellence an academic new horizon in academic excellence. So, with this I would like to end, and we invite you to explore our classroom after the inauguration program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam, for those inspiring words. Next, it is my great pleasure to invite our Honorable Director, Professor V.K. Tewari, to deliver an inaugural speech. Let's give a warm welcome to our Director.
Good morning to all of you. I think what Professor Kauravi Das, our Dean OR, as well as the member Board of Governors, has already said what we have seen. In fact, I remember that we had, when I was reading in this institute, we used to have some of our tutorials in this class, sometimes some of the lectures in this class, and even we had not heard of, you can say, the calculator. But I think in our, when we were in second year, 75, that time my father brought a slide rule from Russia. And that is the one which I was giving to everyone. And only one Russian slide rule, which Russian was also written and English was also written. And then that was being used by most of my classmates at that time. And later on, maybe towards the end of 75 or early 76, I think we got the calculators as well. So maybe FX21, I think Professor Karvidas, he will recall. And various other versions came up. And about the transparencies, in fact, that used to be, we used to make transparencies initially, and then put in a, there is a scope, and keep there, then it will focus onto the board. Later on, then we came into the one which is called the overhead projector. In maybe advanced version came overhead projector, and we kept with that. We used to keep slides whenever we had to go somewhere to present. I think we used to carry suitcase and all that, and we used to go there. And then later on, things changed over a period of time. Then we have the pen drive, and then CDs, and then slowly things have come up, and now even we are not bothered about this. Just put in online in your mail, and then you can receive anywhere, and you can present anywhere, anything. So over the period, things have changed, and as the technology has changed, the requirement of the people have also changed. I think all of you know that today you are not carrying. I was talking to my hairdresser. He was telling me that, sir, nobody is bringing money in the market now. Everybody is talking of just online, digital, and all that. So I have seen the time when we were all talking, giving money, and then taking exchange of the coins, and things have changed in this market itself. So the situation has changed. Technology has changed. Our students are brighter students, very, very intelligent students. I think if you see the question paper of the JEE Advanced today and what we appeared in 74, I think you will find that there is a large difference between that. We used to say in a question of physics, you will have 10 questions and you answer as much as you can. And if you can answer 1.5 or 2 questions correctly, then maybe that you will get a chance in IIT. This was sort of a situation. Now, and maths, we have similarly like that. But things have changed, and so these are all computer based, and the amount of technology gone into this is so nice. Of course, there are certain other aspects which we cannot fathom of the students' intelligence here, because when a problem is given to them, they have to look into various aspects of solving the problem. That many times is missing, and that's why all the directors are thinking, can we think of a physical exam, because the JEE Advance is only of the order of about 1.8 lakhs or so. But seeing the what has happened in the you can say the NEET UG, which was tried for non-CBT, we have a disaster. Although for such a big exam, I think we should not go for. Generally, we should not go, and we were not going. But then, because I have managed the JEE in JEE 2004, 2005, and 6, and I can tell you that how difficult it was. In 2005 and 2006, I was already a chairman of screening test as well as main examination. And you will not believe, only I knew the question paper. I used to, wherever it was made, I will not tell you all those, but wherever I was the only person knew about the complete question paper, nobody else. And that is why not a single mistake was there whenever we conducted. And this year also, this year in 2021, where we were the All India Organizing Institute for the JEE Advance, I think we did not make a single mistake. But immediately the next year, the year after that, there were several mistakes conducted by other IITs. I will not name them. Even in one case, the organizing chairman was sacked because of the mistake. But it requires a lot of pressure. And I can tell you that I lost all my hair and it became grey only during the period of 2003 to 2006. Because so much of tension you used to have every day. Because that one day of the exam which is there, that is you have to only think of. And our chairman, organizing director, Professor Dubey used to tell me that Tewari ji dhyan rakhiye, koi gadbadi nahi honi chahiye. And I can tell you that was tremendous, very, very, I don't know how I survived those 3 years. And of course, but we did a good job. And all the people, in fact, my whole institute helped us a lot. And wherever our people went, I think I was keeping a communication with all the centers. I think there were 93 centers or 105 centers. Minalji will remember. I used to know and I used to ask them that everything is fine or not. So that much of care you require for such a examination. And the facility today that we have made over here will go a long way in talking. Today, if you are talking here, you will be talking to a friend in America now. And that is what I was away to, Meghalaya, and where our Indrajit Dubey, if you know him, he has become the Vice Chancellor of the Law University. And he has made 2 such classrooms. And then, you cannot understand whether they are just talking face to face or they are away thousands of miles away. And therefore, classrooms like this, I think will help and have good communication between the people. We will save a lot of money and tension as well as the energy, both sides, and will have fruitful discussions. The students will also enjoy the environment. What you create by this? You create an ecosystem by which a learning way of fulfilling the wishes of a student goes on. He feels that, okay, I am trying to learn something. And therefore, we should make the best use of these such facilities and see that they go in a long way to allow the students to learn better and better. And I must thank all these people who are here from the NPTEL IP. I can see all of them. I had a course, I think 2 courses possibly I had conducted, and both the courses are still running. I don't know how, but I know each one of them, and I liked each one of them's dedication. Although we have not made any one of them permanent, but I can tell you they are more than permanent. They have been doing very well, and they are always eager to do. I have not found any one of them. Yes, let us give them a big hand. I have not found any one of them that, okay, craving that this is going on, that is going on. But without any fail, they have been doing for a long time, from the time we got this NPL. And we have the largest number of courses conducted from this institute. You can see many of our teachers have conducted. And everybody knows that in NPTEL, if any institute has done, it is IIT Kharagpur. And the resource are these people, some I think 18 or 20 who are there. But they are marvelous and they are invaluable to us. And I wish them all the best. Don't worry about permanency, because nothing is permanent in life. We don't know. We are also not permanent. We are here, and when God says, "Chale aao," to chale jayenge. So just work, enjoy, and have camaraderie with everybody. And I thank Professor Karbidas, Professor Hemanti Banerjee, and all the people involved, all my faculty friends, Mr. Amit Jain, this lady. I think all of you for making this a great success, and I hope that all these facilities will be utilized in greater extent. Thank you very much. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful speech. Now we will proceed with a demonstration presented by NPTEL technical team. Please pay close attention as it showcases the features and capabilities of our new facility.
Good morning to all. Respected Honorable Director, Sir, Professor V.K. Tewari, respected Dean Outreach, Ma'am, Professor Kaurabi Das, respected Associate Dean, Ma'am, Professor Hemanti Banerjee, and the coordinator of NPTEL, respected Registrar Sir, Captain Amit Jain, and all the deans and faculties, and my dear colleagues who are present here. It's my great privilege and honor to speak at this opening of our new smart classroom. Our team took inspiration from the vision of our Honorable Director and worked hard transforming the classroom as a multi-institutional activity facility. With best creative minds of our team members and the technology, we integrated the resource available into the smartest classroom. Now let me elaborate the facilities that are integrated in this classroom. As ma'am already mentioned about the classroom, it is well acoustic for the soundproof and a good air conditioning system. But even though there might be some glitches that we can minimize as the times goes on. We have a 21-inch interactive smart tablet PC with a digital pen, which is just right in front of the director, sir, which we can use for presentations and everything. This classroom can be used for recording as currently done in NPTEL or GYAN courses, may have a physical participants or not also. It can be used for seminars, conference in online and offline mode also. Through online mode, we have platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx. So these are the platforms that we can use in this classroom so that we can facilitate the modern technologies that are coming into existence. And I thank you, Director Sir, to recall what he has come about for the last, say, 1975. He has told about the calculators. Now, while standing and hearing about that, I also recall when in the school times, one of my friends brought a calculator. It's a manual calculator. It was just doing with a small metal pen, I think so. He was just calculating with it. And yes, sir, it has been transformed from that period to this period so drastically that without this transformation, we cannot survive in the current world. So all these platforms can be articulated as per the needs of the intended. We can now show you the use of this utility with this event. In this event as a live, I call Mr. Ramacharulu and others who can come forward to help. Yes, sir, you can go. लाइव अभी है दिखा दो
Good morning to all. Sir, now you can see, sir, the entire program, whatever is here. So it is online, sir. So my colleague, one of the colleague, he is joined in Google Meet. Uttam, can you hear me? Yeah. So this is both end communication. So if he speaks, so we can listen and see him. If he want to share anything, so we can see here. And he can listen to us also, and entire 3 sources he can see. So now he's able to watch your end, when that we call it student end. Deopriyo, একটু switch করবে, switch teacher end. Uttam, sir, now see, he can see this source, we call it teacher end. And yeah, switch to PC. So now he can see the PC. PC means, sir, the tablet which. So in the far end, at a time he can see these three sources, and we can watch him continuously. দেবপ্রিয়, এটা পুরো পিসিটাকে মেন পেজে এনে দাও আমাদের এখানে পিজিএমে। Sir, by this source, sir, we can change what we want to show. Means, for example, sir, now, sir, whatever the source here we are seeing here, so the PC source, the same source, the far end he can see. As when required, we just switches that. So if we want that, we want to show that far end who are joining in that. Now my only single colleague is joined. If somehow, sir, more than 1% is joined, so if we want to show them, so we can show here. And entire this program is also parallelly YouTube, sir. It's streaming in YouTube also. YouTube shorts. Sir, this source. So now we can see, sir, the entire this program is streamed. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, we will change that. So this kind of the facilities are available here, sir. And parallelly, at a time, we can use these all systems, sir. And sir, in YouTube, so there are two things, sir. One with chat and without chat facility. If somebody wants that, no, my streaming should be with chat, so we will enable that. And if somebody wants that, no, we don't want any chat, so we won't enable that one, sir. So this YouTube means, sir, it is a one-way audio-video communication.
Chat will say, for example, the students are asking questions when we are having live sessions during.
So that is chat, sir, in YouTube, sir. So that is depend upon if, sir, the organizer who is organizing this program, if he or she wants that the chat facility should be there, so it will be, sir. We will enable according to their requirement. Pardon that, sir, if anybody wants that, nothing, I don't want anything, I want simply recording here, so that can also be done, sir. Yes, sir, at present we didn't made that kind of connection, but in future if somebody wants that, I want different source, so that can be, sir.
Yeah, but sometimes if I am taking my class and I want to put my previous classes certain portion.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe somebody else's design portion I want to show on the other side.
Yes, sir.
I can explain that you can have on this.
We can split that, sir.
I think that will add to the variety of the teaching, and also discussion if somebody is doing.
Yes, sir, that can be done, sir.
Yeah, keep options as much as possible so that people feel that anything you want is possible here. Talking to outsider, simple class like nothing is there, as if people are here, then also is there. People are across in other IITs, other NITs. We should also connect that way. That if somebody is giving a lecture and maybe NIT Durgapur, let them be as if they are here in the class. We have to create that sort of a system. Maybe we talk to the NIT director Durgapur and then create like this. Maybe we should talk about this IIEST as well. So it's simple. So it's possible.
Yes,
that
sir.
a lecture who is taking here, as if those students, they will sit there, but they can be viewed and they can put questions and
Yes,
all that.
at present we are having that system, sir.
In
Now,
those places.
yeah,
Ah,
they should
there.
have that same facility, sir.
That's what. I have seen that one, because when we are doing earlier, when we have several locations, including foreign, right?
Yes, sir.
So that we should do it here as well.
Sir, even we can, here we have designed like this, sir. Sir, somebody is joined in from far end, sir.
Yeah, you can
The
also.
teacher wants that he only want to see the far end, but the students, those who are here, the teacher doesn't want that what is happening in far end, only I want to watch. Even that also we can do, sir. Teacher is sitting here, he can see that in that position, but those students are sitting here, he won't be able to see that one unless we are willing to show them.
Good. Very good. I think anybody else? Yes.
Yes.
Hello everyone, myself Abhinandan Das. I'm a research scholar from Humanities and Social Science Department, and COVID-19 pandemic and its hazardous impact has been always the part of my research thesis as well. And since the time of COVID, we realized the importance of online classes and classes in hybrid modes. And our honorable director sir rightly said that yes, if the classes can be taken by some collaboration with other foreign institutes or universities in such a way that the particular teacher who is teaching from that institute can collaborate with our institute or our students, that will help and facilitate in the exchange of knowledge and ideas and innovations, which is the main motto of this institute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We are planning such courses with VG Som and even law school. So maybe that VG Som and law school, and maybe that 6 months students will be there, and when they are here, the few classes can be taken from those professors. Only thing the time zone, etc. But I think that will be very nice. So those are also being planned, and these facilities will augment all this thing, and it will make very easy to read and learn, and as if you are sitting in US. And the other way also, when they will be in US, we are thinking of a joint course where 6 months the students will be there, 6 months they will be here. So I think you will feel as if you are across the globe as well. Okay, so that sort of facility. So, kya bhai, chalo, I think.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm requesting my all teammate to please come. My NPTEL colleagues.
असली लोग यही है. जाइए जाइए वहाँ पर जाइए सब लोग जाइए.
Sir, asun. Asun. Sir. Sir, asun, sir. Asun. Sir, asun. Sir. सर आप भी अगर ज्वाइन करेंगे आपके साथ और मैडम और सर के साथ. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, madam.